Alright, so I'm probably gonna do the last recipe for today that I'm off. So this time, we're gonna be listening to Michael Jackson's Human Natures. Now, I know I probably might do like two more at the end of August on Sunday, cause after I finish, doing for WWE class in Paris and do the review, then I might do two more just in case, and it's just for the song, so yeah. But I know I'm running late for Michael Jackson's birthday, and I apologize. So yeah, but I wanted to say I been a I always been a fan. I always been a big fan of Michael Jackson every single time because it does help me a lot for a lot of times, and I don't know how, but yeah, I've been I've been listening to like a lot of his music for every single day, like every year, month, every day, cause I mean it does help me a lot. And then I remember when I remember when I first had like Michael Jackson's dance experience for for on weed. I remember, and those are good times, man. And that's how it made me listen to more Michael Jackson because it does help me a lot. Kind of tired. A lot of my families are always a fan of Michael Jackson every single time, and and as soon as I hear it at the end, or 2009, um, he passed away, and I was I cried so hard because of it, and I don't know how, but it just really hurts to see it happen. It's like I don't know how, but it just it just really hurts, man. So yeah, but yeah, man. Let me know. Comment down below. What is your favorite moment of Michael Jackson? I I I really wish that I would have I just really wish I haven't I just really wish I would see Michael Jackson and know this, man, cause even though that I let him down as a fan, I didn't get the chance to see him. I I don't know, but yeah. So let's listen to it in five, four, three, two.
Looking out across the night, the city winks asleep as I hear a voice shake my window, sweet seduce. of that is human nature. Why does he do it that way? If they say why? Tell of that is human nature. Why does he do it that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way. Looking out across the morning, the city's heart begins to beat. Reaching out, I touch her shoulder. I'm dreaming of a street. If they say why, tell them that is human nature. Why does he do it that way? If they say why, tell them why does he do it that way? If they say why, why does he do it that way? If they say why, tell them why does he do it that way? If they say why, tell them does he do it that way? They say da 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 da. Does he do it that way? I like living this way.
Man. After that part, it makes you feel like you, like this in the air. And I ain't gonna lie, like it feel very like spiritual experience of it. And I'm not gonna lie, like listening to this does help me a lot. You know, over a long years, I noticed that I was the only person that stood by his side for Michael Jackson, and kind of a lot of people are more as a super fan of Michael Jackson as I am. And man, I mean, hearing this, like, it's like I really miss his voice, you know. It just really hurts how it just happens, you know. I just really miss him, man. Like, I just don't know. Like, without Michael Jackson, there won't be any other Michael Jackson. I mean, unlike, um, from One Direction, what's his name? I think his name was, I mean, not Lewis, but hold on. I think it was, I think the one with the long hair, not the long hair, but not. Uh, I'm trying to. Harry Styles, yeah, Harry Styles. Um, yeah, he would not be the next King of Pops cause that's beyond like very disrespectful as it is. If you don't know, like, I mean, I like Harry Styles, but he, yeah, but no, cause I mean, think about it. It's not process it is. So the only king of pop is just Michael Jackson. I mean, Prince as well. What else? I mean, there's James Brown. Yeah. Um, I mean, there's a lot of legends that are actually king of pop, or any other king of pops that I know at all. Because for me, I guess you can say that I could be the next, like, the king of reaction. Because I've been react to every videos that I do, and I probably do the same thing for Michael Jackson. And it does make sense because I've been reacting to it for every day that I've been through without noticing. And yeah. But what if I could be like the next king of, from every like pro wrestling around, like, I guess, like, for the king of, you know um deathmatch wrestling, of course, um martial artists, and probably like, for the action actor, of course, that I really wish. I mean, I probably would love to do this for Michael Jackson if I ever wish. So, yeah. So once again, I know it's late because it is Michael Jackson's birthday. So I just wanted him happy heavenly birthday to Michael Jackson, and RIP to him. Wow, man, like, I just don't know what to say. But I tell you what, after I finish watching Class in Paris, and probably I probably do review, cause I guess, well, yeah, I guess it's about to be early in the day, so I might as well do the same, cause I probably gonna do like two more for for my reaction, and I probably gonna be, you know talk to y'all probably next time, cause yeah, it's very important. So yeah, but but yeah, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe here, click the bell notification down below. And I will see y'all on Sunday for the last for the last of all for the last of August, and yeah, that's it. But yeah, man. This is Tyler signing out, and once again, happy heavenly birthday to Michael Jackson. RP to him. Yeah, man. Bye.